Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing very interesting and easy craft with waste cardboard box. This is DIY Valentine's Day wall decor. So watch this video till the end because I am explaining with the tips to get perfect texture to our wall decor without using textured paint. Here you can observe the texture on our painting and so I'll explain all the details in this video. So watch till the end. To start with, cut a cardboard box. This is a FedEx box that I cut into perfect rectangle shape, and this is a heart shape cutter, and this is a thick paper that we use for watercolors. And here we have this cardstock papers, brush, and then we have this super strong Elmer's glue. In a bowl, take a little amount of water and add glue to this water and mix. So we are diluting this glue and applying. After applying glue on the entire cardboard, place the tissue paper and then apply this diluted glue on this tissue paper. So this tissue paper will help in getting good texture to our cardboard. Now allow this to dry nicely. Now draw a couple picture on a piece of white paper and cut along the lines and transfer the same onto this watercolor paper. Here you can see I am drawing the outlines on this watercolor paper. Now cut this along the lines. Now take this black color acrylic paint and I'm about to color this couple picture with the black. Here you can see this is well painted with black, so allow this to dry. Here you can see I have cut the cardboard in the shape of a tree trunk and I'm painting this tree trunk in black. Now here I have this metallic brown color, so I'm about to paint this tree trunk with this metallic brown color. After painting with metallic brown, allow this to dry. By this time here this cardboard is also well dried, so now paint this with the acrylic white and allow this to dry again. Now take the cardstock paper in red color and here I am punching this machine to get the heart shapes. So here you can see this, I got the small hearts. Now for the big hearts I am drawing with the pencil and I'll cut along with the lines. So continue the same process and cut all the hearts. By this time this cardboard is also well dried, so now paint the border with the acrylic black. After all the 4 borders are completed with the black, now place all the tree trunks we have cut and painted with the metallic brown. So here you can see how I am placing them. Meanwhile this border also will be drying. Now I am placing this couple picture also under the tree and I am placing all the hearts also. Now after aligning all the parts that we have, glue them with a hot glue gun. Once everything is glued, here I am painting the short grass. In this cardboard you can observe the texture because we use the tissue paper and then painted with this acrylic white. So without using the Gexco texture, we can give texture to our painting with simple tips like this. And if anyone wants to buy the material that I'm using here, please check the description box for the links. I purchased from Amazon, so you can get all the links from Amazon and you can get in good deals also. If you observe here, I'm using different media to give good effect to our painting. Here I used acrylic paints, then I used cardboard, then I used tissue paper, glue, and finally for the heart shapes we used cardstock paper. So it is a different media textured painting. Here you can see I'm giving the shades with the strokes, and here I have this metallic gold color. So I'm painting the border with the metallic gold over the black border. This painting metallic gold over the black paint will give a good effect to our painting. So you can see here how it is highlighted with this metallic gold. Here after the painting is completed, turn back side, and here I have this paper clip and I'm using hot glue gun and attach this paper clip. This paper clip works as a hook to hang this on the wall. So friends, this is our beautiful DIY Valentine's Day wall decor. Hope you all enjoyed watching this. Try making this and let me know in the comments section. If you liked my video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.